guys. Good morning, gentlemen. All right, 2 hours later, and we're finally out. Thank you, Bryan. All right, finally on the turnpike. Now it's time for the boys to lock it up. McDonald's himself, the Gerwig. Take your break. He wasn't even looking. Brick. Alright, what's going on, guys? Today is Sunday and it is Drift Day. Welcome back to the vlog. We're headed up to Ever Green Drift.
We're going to Ever Green Speedway for the season closer.
Oh my god, it's like an open track. Good. So we made it.
We made it!
Ever Green Drift, oval track.
About to blow this shit up.
We were about to rip it. Send it. Wow, there's a decent amount of people here.
Where'd eBay go? Where's Bryan go?
Yeah.
All the kooky tales on the S13s.
Ever Green Drift with the boys.
Out here, bro.
Going to the driver's meeting. It's going to be a good day. I'm that guy vlogging in public. It's a little awkward.
And shit today.
We're going to be sending it.
Where's the L track?
Right here, so...
Same as always, track rules, no burnouts or reckless driving anywhere but on the track. Speed pit limit is 10 miles an hour. Don't fly around through here. So for anyone that hasn't been here, grid for the L track is over here. Big thing when you're on grid. But that's fine.
So we're doing.
We're doing.
We out yet.
Send it. What are we doing? Alright, so we're up next.
First run.
First rip. Should be a good time.
probably thought I was gonna get it, but
That was legit.
I was foot to the floor. That's all she had. You
That
were
was
like, we're
third?
done. I'm like, it's all I had.
Dude, he was sending it. With the LSD, it might, I don't know.
Did you see that?
It was crazy.
That's like what I'm nervous
That's what
about.
I'm scared about.
That shit's gonna happen.
I'm confident in you.
Watch for this. Got this, yeah.
There you go, Iyad. Send it. Yes, Iyad, yes, yes. Woo! Alright, Iyad's gonna link the whole track. Very snappy.
Yeah.
That grease off your hands.
Like my nigga Mo. It's got so many flaws.
Brain banging.
Daily.
It's a 5.0. It's a Mustang. No wonder it's got problems. That was so good.
Dude, that was so good.
I'm gonna end it on that one because
That was so good. I can't leave on a bad note. Throw it on the old hole one more. Last run. We'll try to make it a good one. The clutch.
Oh, the coach isn't happy.
She's not happy.
All right, on your time, you're ready to go.
Try not to use the clutch kick. Try and use your e-brake. install it? She hurting? Ooh. She pinned? Why do you gotta beat on your car? Pop your hood.
Good. She was like sputtering. Oh, she's not happy on that one. I think it's good though.
You just did 4 hours. What are you doing?
He's telling me to go again.
He's just like, yo! Told me to go again. Oh my god.
She's pissed.
That's the way to end
She's
it.
fucking pissed.
Jesus. The clutch is probably beat.
She's pissed.
Close out the video. Alright, ending out the video. It was a good Sunday fun day. Very eventful. All the Z's got out. A little reckless on everyone's part. I get the drift. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. Sorry, Zach, for the clutch. I apologize. I'll help you buy a new one or install a new one. Back. End the video.
I'm not heading back.
That's a wrap. That's a f***ing wrap.
You were shredding.
Wow.